If you own a 2020 or newer Can-Am Spyder RT and you're looking to spice up the front end of your bike, then you may be interested in our side grills from Hypnotic Concepts. These grills are constructed from steel and feature a honeycomb design that boasts the iconic RT insignia for a very classy look. They're available in either a black or silver finish and include all necessary hardware for installation. Since each grill is held in place with magnets, a pick tool is included so that you can easily remove each grill when washing your bike, allowing you to clean up any leaves or debris that may build up behind it. If you'd like to add a pop of color, we also offer our Peel and Stick Toughskins Accent Kit. The Toughskins kit come in over 36 different colors, including real carbon fiber. Now, without further ado, allow us to walk you through the installation process on our Shop 2020 RT.
Before you begin, make sure that your bike is on level ground and that your parking brake is engaged. Each side grille is held in place with two brackets. The bottom bracket has a 125-degree bend and mounts in this location here. The side bracket has a 90-degree bend and mounts here. Before we can adhere the brackets in place, however, we will need to clean and prep the plastic surface area at each bracket location. Start by using one of the included alcohol prep pads to clean the surface area just behind the crease in the plastic at both the bottom and side bracket locations. Once that dries, go back through and prep those same locations with one of the included adhesion promoter pads and allow that to dry. Next, grab one of the 125-degree bottom brackets included with your kit and peel off the protective backing film. Use a straight edge as a guide to ensure that the bracket is adhered so that the edge of the magnet is aligned with the crease in the plastic. Once in position, press down firmly to adhere the bracket into place. Then grab one of the 90-degree side brackets, peel off the protective backing film, and again, use your straight edge to ensure that the bracket is adhered so that the edge of the magnet is aligned with the crease in the plastic. Once in position, press and hold the bracket firmly in place for a few seconds so that the tape can adhere. The 3M VHB tape used to hold the brackets in place is some pretty strong stuff, but a set of screws has been provided by the manufacturer as another option for installation or for additional reinforcement. This method would require drilling and the screws would insert through the holes in each mounting bracket. Now that both brackets are installed, we'd recommend applying painter's tape to the surface area in front of the grill location to protect the paint during installation. Next, use soapy water and spray down the area in which your new grill will be installed. This will act as a lubricant for the rubber edging around the grill and simplify the installation. To install the grill, start by tilting the top of it slightly back and towards the center of the bike. Then use your fingers or the included pick tool to pull the inside upper portion of the grill towards you as you slide the grill into place. Once the metal grill gets close enough to the magnets on the mounting brackets, you'll feel the strength of those magnets pull the grill back and into place. Remove the painter's tape and wipe down the soapy water with a clean microfiber cloth. Then repeat on other side.
If adding a set of magnetic honeycomb side grills is on your mod list, head over to slingmods.com or click the link in the description below. Want to see more content like this? Like and subscribe. We sure would love to hear from you. I'm Jen, and we'll see you out on the road.